Bible is discussing the end of the age. Okay, age is the Greek word aeon, which is also translated world. So the Bible is not discussing the end of the world, as in the end of the physical planet. It is discussing the end of the age. And that age ended nearly 2,000 years ago. The key difference, or the key sign, if you will, or key evidence that you do not live in the same world as the people that's in the Bible, has nothing to do with technology. It is all to do with the worship of God, which is not the same as it is throughout the entire Bible. If you notice that from the beginning of the Bible all the way up until roughly the end of the Bible, all throughout the gospel, how do they worship God? Animal sacrifice is required in the worship of God, but now Jesus is the sacrifice once for all, thus showing that the end of the age, the end of the world came. That's the reason the temple was destroyed. That's the reason the temple is now the collection of believers throughout the world. That's all it's discussing. So when a person is bringing up these various events they think are prophetic and saying, oh, see, this is a sign of the end of the world, or look at how these countries are aligned and whatnot, all of this stuff is bogus because it's missing the key element, or the key focal point, which is that the end of the world is the end of the age, the end of the aeon. It's not nuclear war or anything along these lines. It's talking about the end of an age, and that age ended in 70 AD in the destruction of Jerusalem. We currently live in the new world, the new age, which is, of course, the new heaven and earth. And that's where we have been for nearly 2,000 years. So there it is. See you guys.